Bullshit. The bullshit will take it all off me, motherfucking bullshit.
You don't want to step, trust me, you've been warned, you don't want to play leapfrog with the unicorn, I'll leave you torn. You couldn't battle me with them lame rhymes, you couldn't come hard with two women on the same time, walking around, dripping jewels and Versace, only gay guys with that much gold, us Liberace.
I'm not stopping from this town, I know you're specking this kind, I come from this island, not from that island. Fuck that town island over there. I said I want to come back to this island. We catch a lot of fish in there. Fuck them sand crab, mud crab, little shells, big shells, big shells. Fucking bullshit, crab, bullshit, crab, I love that fucking. I like that movie. Hey, that's good shit, eh? Help me, man.
Best night ever. Oh, tequila shot number 4.
You gotta get over the point if you want to play around point for that. I'll point out for some other bullshit and all I talk about.
Aren't you jealous of our hot coffee, guys?
Yeah. Shit. That ain't really give a kick. I'm eating this shit fast, and I really should be drinking it fast. I can't even remind it. Don't take me this shit. Yeah, I'm just making shit.
Too many shots.
Yo.
Oh, that's us, man. Let's get it in. Let's get it in.
Carl, he can speak some rap shit.
Any dudes on Straight Rock trying to battle me, you might as well run into a wall and bang your head.
You gotta put some more on the Nah.
Hey, I'm gonna take tequila shots and get it.
Yeah, give me one. Yeah.
Wait, you're in?
That's beautiful.
It's a man, so we have to have one.